24 Vox.
Hello, my number is CAM00100. Welcome to 24 Vox. This is a demo presentation of my voice. I can do a soft, narrating style, reminding of a storyteller, or a dynamic sales pitch, just like that. If it is an infomercial you need, this particular voice talent has all the desired skills. On the other hand, if you need a character or a trailer, this is how I will end this sample made especially for 24 Vox. Thank you for listening, and good luck with your project.
24 Vox.
Ever wanted to know what it's like to go flying through the air on a dirt bike for a living? Watch our series chronicling the journey of one man, one bike, and candid interviews with some of his paramedic friends. Tonight on the Extreme Summer Sports Network. We've got all the hits from the 80s, 90s, and whatever. You're listening to Frank FM. Today's Rock with John the Rolling Stone McGaffey.
24 Vox.
In the heart of the night, all night long. Cool jazz, Cool FM. Exclusive reports on the state of the nation, climbing gas prices, and the National Child Care Program, all coming up tonight on your evening news. Parents everywhere are dying to get their hands on one of these. No, it's not a Tickle Me Elmo doll. It's a handheld digital dictionary. Find out why kids are going high-tech and how their pocket computers may spell the end for conventional learning. Tonight on the news at 6.